Awesome. Excellent. Okay, I can see Rushda, Abdullah, Muhammad.
Ma'am, what do you want to take?
A soft pillow, एक नरम तकिया लेकर आओ हुमेरा. Go.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah, yes, there. All right. That's soft. Okay, perfect. No problem. I think not everybody has joined in. I can see very few kids. I don't know. The others are still vacationing or something, or they don't know that we started school. All right. Abdullah Saqib, Aisha Qazi, you there with me? Just give me a thumbs up. I know it's okay. Abdullah Saqib, I said. Muhammad Saqib. Muhammad Saqib and Aisha Qazi. Yeah. Okay, Humera, good. Okay, you are there with me. Fine. You have soft pillows?
Yes.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is your task, your activity is you have to crush the pillow and hold it for a longer period of time as much as possible. Okay. So you have to crush it in as a smaller size as you can and hold it for a longer period of time. Got it? And I'm going to start the timer. I'm going to start the timer. And we'll see who holds it for a longest.
Ma'am, see this side.
Huh, Humera? What is it, Humera? I did not hear you. I'm sorry. Can you repeat?
Ma'am, this side.
You have to crush it. You have to crush the pillow. Like, you have to crumple it into the smallest size you can, as small as possible. And you have to hold it for that period of time, okay? A longer period of time. Hey, Umar went and changed his pillow fast. Umar had bought such a big blue pillow. Okay, not a problem, not a problem. It's fine. Okay, so on the count of 3, we start. Oh, I'm going to put a stopwatch, right? So, and we'll see who holds it for the longest period of time. All right. Are you guys ready? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am, I'm.
Okay. No, you cannot crush it with your arms, only with your hands, with your palm. Okay? You have to crush it like that. And you show it to the screen so that I can.
Ma'am, is one hand okay?
No, 2 hands. How will you crush it with 1 hand?
I can.
You lose. More,
Ma'am, this side.
you have to hold it. You have to keep on putting pressure and you have to hold it. It doesn't matter the size, okay? It depends. Both the hands. Come on. If you use 2 hands, it will get more smaller. So you are at a. It's good for you. Okay. 1, 2. 1 minute. Let me put press. 1, 2, 3. Keep pressing. Yes. Yes. Come on. Both hands. Rushda, your pillow is not small. Come on. Come on. It should get smaller. Yes, Abdullah. Muhammad. Show me, Muhammad Saqib. Yeah. Muhammad, don't use your arm, Muhammad. Just hands. Come on. Aisha Qazi, Aisha Aga. Juwaria, show me. I don't know what you're doing down there. Okay, okay. Good, good, good.
Ma'am.
All right. 29 seconds have passed. Yes, keep pressing, keep pressing. You should press it with both hands. Come on.
Ma'am, see, I'm pressing only.
Don't press it like that. Press it this way with both your hands. Come on, Rushda, why isn't your pillow getting smaller?
Ma'am, see, my pillow.
More. Yes.
Getting.
Mama took a rest. Mama, okay, no problem. Done. Don't press it on you towards your body. No. With your hands. Only your hands. Yes. Press it, Rushda. Come on. Yeah. Your pillow should get more smaller. Come on. Show me all the strength that you've got. Yes, Abdullah. Awesome.
Ma'am, see.
Humera, I can see. You take the pillow behind because if you're putting it right in front of the camera, I will not be. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Umar and Juwaria right now have the smallest size of pillows. Okay. Aisha, Aga, okay, you're getting there. One minute have passed.
Pillow?
Yes, Humaira, 1 minute have passed. Okay. Yes. Oh, Abdullah, good, good, good. Mohammed, you also see and tell me, just in case I'm leaving anybody behind. Mohammadi, let me know who's putting a lot of pressure and whose pillow size is the smallest.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my pillow is small.
Okay. All right. 2 minutes have passed. Okay, I'll stop here. Okay. 2 minutes, 16 seconds to be precise. Okay. Now, finally, everybody's a relief of sigh of relief. Okay. Now, you guys tell me, who did you think would hold the pillow for a longer period of time? Anybody you think from your class?
Yeah, ma'am.
Me? I was assessing. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much, Abdullah. Thank you. Yes. Who do you think would be able to hold the pillow for a longer period of time?
Juwaria.
Juvaria. Okay, Rushda thought Juvaria. And she could see it was Juvaria.
Alfia, ma'am.
Umar, ma'am, Umar. It was a small pillow, that's why.
Omar, okay, because the pillow size. Okay, keeping aside the size of the pillow and the softness, who do you think would have been able to
Me,
held it?
myself.
Okay, Ibrahim says himself. Anybody?
Ma'am, who has most friends that can
The person who has more strength. So yeah, who do you think in our classroom has more strength?
obviously you, ma'am.
Amongst the kids. What are you guys doing?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim, Humaira says Ibrahim has more strength. Why Ibrahim? You've seen Ibrahim's size now? He doesn't have hands, he has noodles. Oh. No,
Ma'am,
Ibrahim,
and
trust
second
me.
Abdullah.
Trust me,
Ma'am, and
Ibrahim,
second
you are
Abdullah.
more healthy and you are more energetic and active than me. Okay, so I have no right to tell you whatsoever. Yahya thinks Abdullah, okay, when it comes to strength. Yes, Hamza.
Muhammad.
I think potato can.
Ma'am, I
A potato. Okay, Humaira says Mohammed. Humaira, we have two Mohammeds. Which Mohammed? Mohammed or Mohammed Saqib?
Muhammad Sakit.
Mohammed Saqib. Okay, Humaira says I think she sees him in the PT class. Mohammed Saqib picking all the dumbbells and all. Yes. So we think Mohammed Saqib has more strength. Definitely agreed. Okay. Humar. Oh, Humar, I'm saying. Humaira and Umar. Uh, Umar, who do you think has more strength? Nothing? Nobody? Umar, tell me. In your classroom, who do you think has more stamina and more strength? Who was pushing and crushing the pillow?
Nobody knows.
Hamdan? Hamdan is not there. I think he's gone to his farmhouse.
yeah,
Playing
ma'am.
with the horses and the
Maybe.
goats.
Ma'am, I also have gone to Khandala.
You went to Khandala? Oh, that we know. How was your trip, Umar?
It was very cold.
Ma'am, it was very cold. I wear a jacket and took a blanket and went to sleep.
Wow. Really? You guys
Did you
had a
jump
gala
in the
time.
swimming pool? I would have done it.
Okay. Yes, Aisha Kazi.
Ma'am, I'm in Aurangabad now.
Boya, why are you guys not home?
Ma'am, I am home.
Good boy, good boy. Even I'm home.
Home.
Ma'am, me too.
Perfect.
Ma'am, I can still go and sit in the garden.
You can go and sit in the garden. Oh, that's amazing.
Because police officer says in around that you can go anywhere out of the house, but don't go in the road.
Right. You need to maintain that, right? Okay. So, yeah.
Ma'am, I think the only one who can do the pillow the smallest, the one who always comes first in the class.
Is it?
Yeah, if you put spin, the pillow is bouncy sometimes, so it will bounce off. If if you have brains, you can figure out a solution. Like
Very
now
true.
I am sitting.
Very true, very true. So you mean strength with brains is a perfect combination. Okay, excellent. Now, how many, if I have to divide y'all into categories, okay, suppose I divide y'all into two categories, girls and boys, okay? Now tell me, who do you think would be able to crush the pillow to the smallest size and for the longest time?
Boys. Smallest. Girls.
Boys,
Girls.
Okay.
No
Who's that?
comments.
Just because you are a girl, you say girls. Okay, Mohammed Saqib said
Ma'am,
boys. You said
ma'am,
girls. Okay.
ma'am, smallest size is girls and longer period of time is boys.
Okay, so yeah, yes. Furthermore, categorizing the elements of what the game.
Ma'am, I want to say something. Like
Go ahead.
boys are more, boys are. Everybody says like boys are more healthier because they are boys, and girls are more smarter. Sometimes.
Sometimes. Sometimes. Okay. Oh my God, Aisha, what happened to you? I got scared for a minute. Anyway, all right. So boys are more healthier and girls are more smarter. Sometimes. Good. You saved yourself by adding sometimes, you know. Okay. Anybody else? Anas, what do you think? If I have to
Boys
categorize,
not have body.
boys don't have body? Then what is all that? Jelly? No? Okay. Everybody has a body. Everybody has a body. That's why we call them everybody. Okay. So,
Body, not body.
body,
I
yes.
have a little muscle, ma'am.
Little muscle, yes. Thank you for specifying it as little. That adjective was very important. If you would have said I have muscles, I would have laughed myself. Okay, Anas, coming to you, child. What do you think? We did an activity, all right. We crushed a pillow. Everybody crushed a pillow, and we saw who will hold it for a longest period of time. Now I did a little change, and I categorized you all into two, boys and girls. Okay. So who, according to you, you think do you think would be able to make the pillow to the smallest of its size and hold it for a longer period?
Ma'am, easy. You just have to make.
Boys, okay. Anna said one. Now let's vote. All right. Yeah. Three ma'ams I heard, and I have no idea who is that.
I met Hamdan.
Girls.
Hamdan is not here, bro. You're missing him. Okay.
Or Aisha.
Or Aisha. Okay. Yes, Hamza. I'll take the last word from you, and then we'll go and vote.
Ma'am, it's easy. You just have to fold the pillow and sit on it like me.
Is what is important. You know, you need to listen to the instructions. It's only with the hands. You cannot use your arms, your body. You can't do that. Okay. Yes. All right. So those who agree with boys will not show any reaction, and those who say girls will give a thumbs up. Yeah. Okay. On the count of three.
Ma'am, I did not understand what you tell.
We are voting. Okay, yeah, we are voting. I'm taking everybody's opinion. Hey, that's Hamdan with Ira Kazi name. Oh, Umar told me. Umar, see, number one, his videos of. Second, his name is Hamdan. It's Ira Kazi. How are they supposed to know?
Ma'am, my internet connection is really poor.
It doesn't matter, Hamdan. You just be there with us. Okay? I'm happy we could hear your voice. Okay?
Ma'am, I can't hear anybody's voice.
Hamdan, can you hear me? Shooting killer, bhai. 1 minute. I'll just message him.
I'm chatted to him.
Yeah. Ira. Okay. Okay, try relogging. Yeah. I hope you get this one down. See you.
If I relog in, if I relog in, it took me really much time to
What
log
you are
in.
saying?
Right. Type whatever you want to say. Your voice is okay. Okay, so we have got Hamdan covered out. He's going to type it out, whatever he feels and says, and his answers. All right. So we've given him that option for him to be a part of this class. Nonetheless, I said was I divided you all into categories now with the same activity that we did, girls and boys. You have to
I
tell
can't
me.
even receive chat.
Ma'am, message him on group.
Now I'll just cry.
Ma'am, message him on the group.
Boya. Hey, if he's not able to receive chats, how did he know that we're asking him to type? And then
Ma'am, he might be hearing us, that's why.
somebody message now, please, on the right group so that he receives the message.
Ma'am, he could just see the chat. He could not write on the chat.
Oh, hey, there he is. Hey, Hamdan, you're in the car. Where are you off to, bro?
If I stand outside, there is no network connection.
Now you're perfect. We can hear you clearly, bro. We can see you. Can you stay in the
But I can't, ma'am.
You can't say. It's okay. We are not
I
beautiful
can
anyway.
hear voice like breaking. It's breaking.
Oh God, Hamdan, I have no idea what to do. Hamdan, how about chats? Can you read our
You can
chat?
see the recording later.
My only person.
Can you read our chat message? Oh, acha, sorry. Ma'am, what is Boya? Boya means what is this in Korean? Alright. Okay, so reaction, coming back to the reaction thing. Yeah? Depending upon girls and boys. How many times?
Meant for means both or only one?
No, any one. What do you think? I want your opinions, okay? And it can be anything. If you feel girls could hold it for the longer period of time and make the pillow the smallest, then that's your opinion. If you think that boys could do it, that's your opinion. Okay, so no judgment here. I just want your opinions on that take. Okay, so how about you give, if your answer is girls, you give me a thumbs up, and if your answer is boys, there shouldn't be any reaction. Or you could give me a clap. Clap is good as well. Yeah, go ahead. Zoom reaction. Come on, use it.
There will be confusion.
Why? No, I could seriously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 thumbs up I've got. 2 claps I've got so far. 3 claps.
Can you type in the chat?
No. I want the reaction.
Ma'am, you can tell everyone to put the reactions on the same time so that you can count everyone on the same time.
Perfect. On the count of 3, let's go.
Ma'am, clap is for boys.
Boys and thumbs up is for girls. Okay. So how about on the count of 3? Hey, Umar, what are you doing? No, but it was my cousins. What, Umar? Who's chatting with you? Who are you replying to? Okay. On the count of 3, we go? Yeah? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it? Okay, it's a tie. No, I think girls. Okay, 6. All right. So there were majority boys who thought that, okay, 6 again, Mohammed. So it's a tie again. Nonetheless, what happened was, you think equally, you all, like some of you thought that girls could do it and some of you all thought boys could do it. All right. Now, my next question for you is, why did you think that? It's okay. Come on.
The chapter gender equality.
Wow, genius. Yes, Aisha Aga, go ahead.
Ma'am, just like this.
Okay, just a thought. Perfect. Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, because boys have strength also and sometimes dimag also, so they can do also.
Okay, perfect answer. Yeah, according to
Girls
Yaya,
are
boys.
Ma'am,
the girls are brilliant. Girls
Okay.
can do it anything.
Okay, perfect answer. Humaira thinks girls are
Girls
brilliant
are
and
brilliant and girls can
can do
anything do.
anything. Yes, yes. Good.
ma'am,
Abdullah.
They can lift up a car.
Hold up. Yeah. Yes, Abdullah.
ma'am, I told boys because people say like that also, and it is proven also that boys are a little bit stronger than girls. Girls are very sensitive. People say, and it is proven also. That's why, ma'am.
Okay, the studies, you know of a study or research that has proven that boys are stronger when it comes to strength, right? Okay. Aisha says girls can do anything boys can do. Okay, that's her opinion. Perfectly all right. Yes.
Hear this? Your sound.
Now can you hear me?
No, that song is very.
What song? Who's playing songs, bro? Ain't nobody playing songs, bro. It's me talking. Oh, my voice is so melodious. Sounds like a song. Anyway. Okay. Humera, check, beta. I don't know. Nobody's playing songs over here. All right. I want everybody's answer. Okay, Jumeirah, go ahead. Why do you think girls? You gotta give a reason. Aisha Aga says just like that, because I thought it is. Yeah, that can be an answer too.
We can do anything other people can do.
Perfect. Yes, I love your answer. Yes, Jumeirah, go ahead.
And ma'am, after this, we all will ask you a question that who will win in real.
Yes, Jumeirah.
Because I want to prove it to the world that girls can do anything that boys can do, and
Perfect.
girls can also win against boys.
Perfect. Okay, Mamadi.
Ma'am,
Why? Yes, why boys?
I say ma'am, boys are
Okay. Umar.
Ma'am, you would think that I am the only one, but I agree with Julia, what she said.
No, you're not the only one. Trust me. I'm also there. Yes, Umar, go ahead. Boya, Umar. Why? Give a reason for your answer. Come on.
But it's proven.
Because it's proven? Okay. So Umar is depending upon you, Abdullah. He's like totally. Jo bhi Abdullah bhai bolego. Anyway, okay. Batul, what do you think? Why do you think what you thought?
Girls can do it.
Girls can do it. Okay. And why is that?
It's my opinion.
Okay, that's her opinion. Perfect. Anas, how about you?
Yes, ma'am.
You gave answer that boys would be the one who would hold the pillow the smallest and for the longest period of time. Why?
Because boys are stronger.
Because boys are stronger. Okay. Now there were a lot of people. There are a lot of students who told me that it's proven and it is. They think it is their opinion. Okay. What do you think we could do? We could do to make it equal, like the amount of time and the size of pillow to make it equal between boys and girls. What do you think could we do?
Ma'am, give same size and shape of the pillow.
Perfect.
And give same time. Ma'am,
No.
Ma'am,
Time is subjective. Time is subjective. Time it can go depending upon your strength. Here we are talking about strength. Okay.
Ma'am,
Depending upon strength, it can take that much time.
Ma'am,
But
first what
coming
we
to
will
the size of the pillow, I agree, Mohammed Saqib. Yeah.
Ma'am, first what we will do is, ma'am, first we will take a same pillow for both the sides, and then what we will do is we will like go on the kg ka machine. We will stand and then we will equally divide everyone with that barabar that, so everyone has, and then they can do it. that they would use the same strategy as the other team is using, so they
Correct.
would get the same.
Okay, so what 2 points I get out of this? Okay, one is the same size and weight of the pillow, and second is the same strategy applied for making it into the smaller size. Perfect. I love your answers. Go ahead. More. Yes, give me more.
Ma'am, giving this same strength.
Okay. Again, mute and unmute yourself. Abdullah, mute him. Now I know why Humaira is listening to songs. Yaya was talking, it seemed like a song beat. Ding, dang, ding, dang, ding. Anyway, okay, give me more answers. Come on.
No, ma'am.
No? I know, but I'm just kidding. Don't take it to your heart. I have a habit of doing that. Okay. Anybody else? What do you think? We have 2 points. How can we make it equal between boys and girls? How can we make it equal? What do you think? One is strategy, other is size of the pillow and weight. Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
Ma'am, we can do like if somebody loses from another team, so then the other person also has to lose from the other team.
Wow, I like this. I like the way you think, Juveria. Okay, one person loses and everybody has to accept the defeat, right? Everybody has to take responsibility. As unjust as that is, but okay, that was creative, so I would give it to you.
Time limited. If the time ends, then both are the winners and both are equal.
Okay, perfect.
That's decided.
Okay. Drushna says, just don't think of it as a competition. Yes, Hamza.
Don't put the pillow in there. Only give the pillow cover and they will just have to fold it equally and they will just keep it. That will be equal.
Wow, Hamza. Too good. Hamza's like, why boys and girls? Change the pillow only. The pillow is the problem. Boys and girls are okay. Same size of the pillow, equal people in the team, and sorry, I couldn't read that.
And have fun.
Have fun, definitely. Fun part should be there. Okay, now I am sure, and Umar has already said, you know what the theme, which SDG are we going to cover in this session?
Gender equality.
Gender equality. What's the number? Goal number
5.
5. Okay, gender equality. Now, everybody has a different opinion when it comes to strength for boys and girls. Okay, that is one difference. What do you think? You have to go and Google right now.
Wait, you didn't answer my question, ma'am.
What's your question?
That who will win in real life, boys or girls?
It's subjective, Abdullah. The answer is totally subjective, depending upon the age, weight, height. A lot of factors affect who will win, you know. It's not just the gender.
No one is stronger of Allah.
Very true. Nobody is stronger than Allah.
So, if sometimes you are going to win, even there is 1 second left,
Ma'am, some
opponent
people
can turn the
say, some
tables
people
on you.
are very.
Very true. Yeah. Sorry.
Ma'am,
I
you
couldn't
can't do anything
Ma'am,
without
some
knowing the
people
future.
are very thin, so some people are very thin, so people think that that person is weak and it will not win the race.
Very
But then
true.
when they see for the real life, then they win.
They see the leanest
The,
member
uh,
going in
thin-
full
the
speed.
thinner
Yes,
people
I
is-
totally agree. You know, when I was small, yeah.
The thinner people is more faster than other people.
Yes, the healthier ones.
It is like in Harry Potter, the first one, Harry was the youngest broomstick rider. Everybody thought he would lose, but he won.
Right. So, you know, when I was small and me and my sister would fight, so I was always the healthy baby and my sister was always the, like, you know, lean baby. So whenever we would fight now, she would always win. And people would think that I would win because I'm a little healthy one and I would beat her blue and pulp and all that. But she would win. And then my mother would tell, मोटे से डरना नहीं, सुखड़े से लड़ना नहीं. Because the ones who are leaner, they don't give up. They just don't give up. Okay.
The opponent can also have a secret.
Yes, and do not get scared from a fat person, like a healthy person. they just seem to be intimidating. They actually are
सब
not.
लोग पतले को मारेंगे ना, पतले अभी कितना भी मार सकता है.
They just
Arey,
make you
that's
angry.
right.
Then when you attack,
Only way to
These thin people, you know, they have a strategy. I'll tell you. What they do is they drain off all the energy from the fat ones. Okay, either udhar khel kood ke, they'll drain all the energy, and when the fatty is tired, that time they attack full on, so the fatty is like knocked out. Anyway, okay, coming to the gender equality goal number 5.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am,
When I play pillow fight, I don't give a chance. I just take my pillow and jump.
Very true. And they don't stop. They just go like duk 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 duk. There is so much stamina and there is so much energy in them. God knows where do they get it?
last year when our get together was held in our in Eid last year in 2019. So when Juveria came to our house and we were playing Kho-Kho, now she had a better strategy than mine. She did pole over here and she came from the opposite side to catch me.
Juveria, she is good in sports. I've seen her.
Whenever
Yeah.
I play with Asma, I always think that I will win, but she just pushes me on the bed.
The younger one, I'm telling you, is very smart. Very smart. Yes, Hamza.
She tells, let's do dance, and she just pushes me on the bed.
very thin.
Uh-huh.
Always keeps attacking me. Whenever I go to her house now.
Hamza, you and me are the same, Hamza, bro. We are from the same team, okay?
Alfia ma'am,
And we always lose.
Usman has a toy balloon, no? So he takes the balloon and comes to hit us. We run all along the
Wow. Wow. I can see the young ones ruling the house. Okay.
Asma also does that. She also has
My elder sister rule the house. I just go aside and hold her stick, and then I put my leg in her leg between her leg, and I pull it. When she comes ahead, she falls down like this, and then I sit on her and I keep riding ghoda on her all day.
What? You sit on your little sister? Oh, no. Hamza, stop sitting on her, bro. No.
Not my little, my elder sister.
Oh my God, what relief. You have no idea, Hamza. I had a mini attack right now when I heard you sit on
when sisters sleep,
Ma'am.
Anas's sister pushes him off the bed. Bro, क्या मतलब Bonvita? क्या है?
Same
What is
here.
the secret of my energy? What is your sister, man?
Ma'am, same here, ma'am.
Alfia ma'am.
Wow.
When my sister is sleeping in the morning, I just sleep on her.
You have two sisters. Which one are you talking about?
My little one. Because
Boya! What is this behavior, Pooja?
my elder sister wakes up before me.
Mohammed Saqib, very true.
Ma'am,
Depend upon who Allah gives power to. Yes.
if someone tells Muspira that मुस्फिरा कितनी वो है डले खाली सुबह को उठ के वापस पूरे
If they
स्कूल
tease
उसके
her,
बाद
yes. If they tease her.
नहीं
does she do?
my family members tell ये देखो कितनी डल हो गई है सुबह से उठ के रख दिए ऐसा वैसा then when means when her Quran class is there na she makes acting so nicely that मेरे को मम्मा सोने दो ना ऐसा
Okay. Now I know. Drama queen she is, bro.
I don't have a younger sister.
My category. You are younger. Anyway, okay. You have an older sister. Anyway. Okay. So now you're yes, Anas.
Younger
Please.
sisters.
I am the tallest in the cousins and sisters and brothers.
You are the tallest amongst the cousins.
Tallest
Yet your
of my
sister
family.
pushes you off the bed, Anas. So that is okay.
the
That's
tallest.
completely fine. Yeah,
Then
you are the
I have to
tallest.
do that. My elder sister tried to push me. I got down and I jump on her and I fall her down.
forget brothers and sisters. My nephew, Lilliput, 2 foot he is. Speaking so small, but the way he hit, I mean, of course he's not that Badtameez, he's not that disrespectful. But no, now he's not. Now I'm all home alone. He's at his place. Okay, but bro, he's got strength. I asked him to press my leg, and he presses like no other people done. That's not child labor, by the way. Don't come at me. I don't make my niece and nephews do work, but just like at times. Okay.
Once in a blue moon.
Yes, here is a task for you, and that blue moon happens very often, by the way. So I don't know how would you take it. Okay. Here is a task for you. Go ahead and find differences in gender through biology. Okay. What are the biological differences in gender? Go. Google. Right now.
We have to do it now.
Right now. Google right now.
What we have to type?
Ma'am.
Hamza, I gave a task already. Okay, so we are stopping the discussion here, and we are going and Googling the biological differences, or for that matter, not only biological. Find the differences in gender. Go ahead. Come up with 5 differences. 5 differences that you can think of in gender. All 5, Mamadi?
I have some information.
Some information. Okay.
Generally, females have 2x.
Don't go in the chromosome part. Acha, just remove biological from your word search, from your search.
No, I can't hear you properly. Can you tell it again?
I'll put it in the chat. You have to copy paste it and type that exact thing in Google. Okay. Differences in It's okay, Hamdan. Just be there with us. Okay.
So, ma'am, we have to Google it.
Yeah. Go ahead. Find out.
We have to Google it.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am attending in tab.
Okay.
Ma'am, do we have to write biological reasons?
No. Just find differences in gender.
Ma'am, I can't hear. Ma'am, I don't have internet connection.
That's okay, Hamdan. It is okay. It's okay. Just stay there. I have 8 differences between boys and girls. I found. And then I have a game for you. After we have a discussion on your research, I have a game for you. Okay?
I don't understand anything.
Agabaya.
It's not there.
5 differences between boys and girls. Go.
Graphs and that all.
Nah. Don't go there.
And crafts are good. Girls are good. Girls are good.
Graph, he said. Graph, not craft.
Telling drawing.
No. Graph, Baba. Up and down graph.
I'm not telling that.
But he is telling that now.
I am in all, ma'am.
Stay in all. Where? What happened? Abdullah?
Should I say without Googling? It said something else.
Yes, okay. Umar will speak
Without Umar, can I say?
Okay, let's go with Umar. Let's hear him out. Come on, Umar. Go ahead. Difference between boys and girls.
Girls have a smarter brain than boys, and boys have.
Girls are smarter than boys. Okay.
And boys have strength.
Boys are stronger than girls. Okay.
Girls' eyesight are more brighter than.
Okay, girls' eyesight are more brighter than boys. Bhai, I am andhi. Anyway, okay. Then. Now that you said, I see boys wearing specs in my class. None of the girls have specs.
Ma'am, can I say a male?
Ma'am, one last.
Bolo.
Ma'am, I heard a fact that
girls and boys, they both cry same, but girls cry. The girls that they show they them cry, and boys just cry in their hearts.
Got it.
Ma'am,
Got it.
Ma'am,
Somebody's
ma'am, can I
murdering
say-
emotion.
Can I-
Anyway,
Can I say?
okay, listen. Anas has a very valid point. Anas, that is good. He says, like you can read it in the chat as well. Women and men who see gender differences in some key areas tend to have divergent views of the roles biology and society play in shaping. Okay, basically, what this means is, what this means is that the word differences between boys and girls is just in your head. Okay, be it biological or be it societal, it just depends on what role the person is playing. Okay, now excellent point, Anas.
Ma'am,
Whether you've understood or no, I don't know, but I understood and it's a good point. Okay, let's go with somebody else.
can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Aisha Aga, go ahead.
Oh, man.
Wait for your turn, wait for your turn, we have time. Yeah,
Ma'am, girls have longer hair than boys.
perfect.
Girls like most of the girls like doing makeup, and none of the boys like it. And girls like different things, and boys like different things.
Okay.
Mom,
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Mohammed Sadiq says women are less inclined to take risks.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Alfia ma'am, some
Bro.
men have so big ball that they put choti.
So big ball, yes.
like
And
Ertugrul
I
in
know
third
men who
season.
put makeup, so that's. Anyway, that is her difference. Okay, yeah.
girls,
Ma'am, can I say?
girls can cook. Girls can cook very fast, and boys can smell very fast.
No, my
And
father
smell
cooks very
dirty.
fast.
Boys smell dirty. They're playing all the football and they become sweaty.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, a
That's
male's
not true.
orientation.
Trying to say that girls can cook very fast, but boys have a stronger sense of smell very fast.
Stronger sense of smell. Okay.
Now
You know
we-
what?
No, ma'am.
Okay, looking
No,
at
ma'am, that's not true.
We
My
can
father
disagree. We
cooks
can
very
disagree. It's fine. That is your opinion. We can
Ma'am,
agree
can
and
I
disagree
say
completely.
a
Yes, you're
male-
right.
A male's orientation toward life tends to be outward.
Perfect.
I don't know the meaning. Can you say?
Okay. It means that.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me just explain this point to him. A male's orientation to life means whatever views and opinions he holds about life is more outward. Okay, he doesn't go deeper into the feeling and the emotion things. All right, he will not view it from that perspective. He'll just view it from the objective perspective. Okay, this, done, sorted. All right. Women tend to mostly get a little emotional and sensitive with that. But you know why that happens? Can somebody think of why it happens? Yes?
No job.
No. Why do you think men are not emotionally inclined than women? Like, women are more emotional and sensitive, as we say. Why do you think men are not, are men not really emotional?
Ma'am, men are emotional, but from inside their heart. They don't show it from outside.
Why? Why do you think that happens? Thank you, Aisha. For putting it in a simpler
Because
word.
they don't want other people to think that they are babies.
Okay, they don't want people to think that they are babies.
Ma'am, maybe it
Yes.
is because the women leave their house and they come to that.
No.
Oh, yeah? No.
Some women don't leave their house.
Hi. What is with the women leaving the house anyway? Yes, Juvelia. Yeah.
Because when sometimes when boys cry, so then others think that they tease them, that's why they don't cry.
Very true. Very true. Hands down, this is the best answer. Yes, Rushda, I agree with you.
Ma'am, maybe because when that person, when that boy was a baby, he didn't cry. So when he grew up, he didn't cry.
No.
Ma'am,
You see, everything comes down to being humans. Okay, whether boy or girl, you are a human first, and you have been designed to feel pain, sorrow, hunger, happiness, anger. Okay, so everybody is born with emotions. Later on, when they grow up, and you tend to see that women are more emotional and sensitive and men are not, is because the society tells men that you have no right to feel emotion. Okay, by saying, and I'll add the point that Juveria said, by saying that whenever young boys cry, you often see people around them telling, "Kya kya ro raha hai? लड़कियों की तरह क्यों रो रहा है? Why are you crying like girls? Why are you crying?" Why can't he cry is my question. Why can't he cry? If he's sad, he'll cry. If he's hurt, he'll cry. Because that is the way humans are designed to bring out their pain and emotion. Why? Then you tell me, if the boy cannot cry, then he shouldn't have been given tears. Why are there tears?
Eat
Boys are not
spicy,
allowed to
then also tears come, no?
Yes, if you're eating something spicy, tears come out. And it's fine. It's fine. I mean, let us normalize this fact that yes, boys can cry. The poor boy lost his football match that he was looking up to.
Ma'am, everybody has emotion. There is no right to stop their emotion, ma'am.
Yes, he has all the right to cry. The football match that he was so looking forward to, he lost it. All the hard work, he lost it. Imagine the pain. Empathize with the boys. Come on. Like, let's make it normal. Let's normalize the fact that yes, boys can cry.
But I don't play football that much.
That is you, Umar. That is you. Maybe football, you're not that passionate about football, so maybe you don't cry. But I'm talking about people who are passionate about things. Okay, and they don't get it.
One time I messed my whole painting which I made it so nice.
Ma'am, last year me and my family had went out. We were going somewhere. So it was traffic. So when we stopped, there was one poor person. That poor person was half man and half woman. So I asked my father,
a transgender. You saw a transgender.
Yes, and I asked who my father said that's a poor person who is half woman and half man. They are very rare. There are not so many.
Right.
My mother also told me.
There are transgender cases. They are maybe born that way.
They had a mustache and long hair.
Right. So most transgenders are born that way, and some when they grow up, they tend to feel that they then identify what gender they are. All right. So people who are confused with their gender identity, whether they don't know whether they are a male or a female, we call them transgender. Okay.
Ma'am, you said after they grow up, they will come to know.
They realize.
Ma'am, but that person was so big. It was like your age.
He or she, whoever that person is, might be my age. That is what I'm telling you. If you are born that way, and some know when they grow up. Okay. So yeah. Concluding the point, what we will
call he
transgender.
He or she.
We call them as it. Okay. What did you take from this class? Come on, tell me. Go ahead. Who will tell me what did you take?
Everybody has the right for emotions.
Very good, especially boys, bhai.
Ma'am, everybody has the right to do anything they want.
Perfect. Yes, Juveria.
It's okay if you are a boy or girl. We all are humans.
Perfect. Very good. Okay.
There are no such differences between
So boys, let me ask you this.
difference for girls and boys.
No difference for girls and boys. Excellent. Okay. Boys of my class, let me ask you this. Next time, will you feel shy while crying? No. You are free to cry. Nobody is judging you whatsoever, and if they are judging you, that is their problem. Right? Yeah.
Ma'am, my Usman little brother came to me and you were talking no girl and boy. He told me, "मैं girl नहीं हूँ, मैं boy हूँ."
Yes, he's very much a boy. That is not a problem. But my point is, it is okay for. Hello, Usman. Usman, boy. Usman is a boy. Everybody tell Usman is a boy. Come on.
Boy.
Boy,
Usman is a
boy.
boy.
Usman is a boy. Yes. Okay. All right. Hamdan, how long are you going to stay in your farm? Let us know. Do you all want a tour of Hamdan's farm, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
How about we have it at during the English class? Hamdan, can you arrange that for us? I'm
Yes.
so excited.
Ma'am, but his internet connection.
Ah, true. No problem. We'll
Tomorrow,
see.
ma'am, tomorrow.
Achha, tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow.
Ma'am, there is some kind
No,
of
ma'am,
portable
today.
hotspot.
Hey,
Ma'am,
but
there is
tomorrow is Wednesday.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
tomorrow
there
we
is some
have
kind
English
of
class
portable-
today as last period.
No, but Hamdan should be able to do it, na beta? We
Ma'am,
cannot
there is some
demand
kind-
him. He's showing us, so we should be grateful.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there is some kind of this like a router, something that portable router that he can buy it and he can.
I know that Geo Pocket.
Uh,
Right. Okay, so I
Nice
will
idea.
end the
Thank
class.
you.
I will end the class. Ibrahim has already gone.
Ma'am, in English on Thursday.
No, we have English today as well. Okay, so I end the class that we should not really think of any differences between boys and girls. It is okay for both of them to be emotional and feel the emotions and cry and behave the way they want to behave, as long as it is not a tantrum. Alright? You better not be throwing tantrums now. Just because Alpha Man said it is okay to cry, the boys are there, I wanted aloo ka paratha, why you are giving me sandwich? Don't do that. I will come and kick you then. Okay. Hamdan, let me know. Just message me privately on WhatsApp. When can we have this virtual tour of your farm? Maybe today, tomorrow,
Ma'am,
whenever
today
it is.
only.
Today noon in English class. If you can do that, we'll be very happy.
but ma'am, his Wi-Fi is not good, ma'am.
It's okay. We'll
Ma'am,
see
in the
whatever we
English
can.
class.
Okay, thank you so much, Hamdan. Also, make sure that you have a good Wi-Fi. Maybe I don't know. Just try or internet
And
connection.
show me your
I
horse.
can't hear your voice, ma'am.
He can't hear my voice. I'll
I
message him.
can't
Don't
hear your
worry, guys.
voice.
Okay, Baba. Sorry, I
Ma'am
took
will
4
message
minutes
you.
Can't hear
of
your
your
voice.
break. Go ahead, quickly grab each